Hey there. Why would you hire a life coach to help you with weight loss or meeting your health goals? Why not just go to one of these places, these apps, these programs where you get the food plan and you get all of the instructions and you know what to do and you go do it? Why isn't that enough? I'm Coach Nancy with The Watery Mouth, and you tell me why it's not enough. You've done it time and time again. If my story is like your story, you tried this and you tried that and the latest, greatest, shiny thing that comes up. You try it all and you still have food drama. You still stand on the scale in the mornings and go through this whole identity wreaking process of stepping on the scale, seeing that number and making it decide for you how your day is going to go. Yeah, that's just not any fun, is it? What if eating to live, using the nutritarian lifestyle, was a joy, was pleasure? What if it was fun? That's why a life coach is needed to help you. I will help you to get to the end of the food drama, to drop the weight and love the healthiest diet on the planet for lifelong consistency. That's my promise. That's what happens in one-to-one private coaching. So that's why a life coach can give you so much more than a food plan. I can help you to navigate those potluck lunches at work and restaurant row. And when you feel like eating your emotions, I can give you help with those specific things. And the techniques, the information, the mindset, all of the tools that you will be given are the same tools that can help you in life. Not just with weight and health goals, but with any goals in life. Relationship goals, financial goals, employment goals. Yes. That's why hiring a life coach is a fabulous idea. I would love to chat with you. I do 45-minute strategy sessions, absolutely free. All you need to do is go to thewaterymouth.com/coach with Nancy. You may see a place to click somewhere with this video and apply for a call with me, and we will see if a coaching partnership is what can help you end your food drama for good. I'll talk to you soon.